Why do dogs sleep so much? If you've ever looked at your dog and thought, all you do is sleep, you're not alone. Adult dogs sleep about 12 to 14 hours a day. Puppies can sleep up to 20 hours daily. Dogs spend less time in deep sleep than humans do, so they need more total rest. Sleep helps them recharge their bodies, process information, and stay healthy. Bigger dogs also tend to sleep more than smaller breeds. So if your dog is always napping, they're not being lazy, they're just being a dog. How many hours do you think your dog sleeps every day? Comment below.